guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool horn to look at. So this is going to be a 1960s era Leslie S2A. With an S2A, you've got a 25 and a 31. This is going to be your deepest two chime Leslie that they made. So 60s, it's got your aluminum aluminum Tabby power chambers. Both of these have been fully remachined. This is a parts horn. It's not an original horn, but it is for the most part error correct. We do need a closed circle. We need closed circle bells for this, but the manifold and the power chambers both date the same. But anyway, good sounding horn. This is probably my favorite Leslie two chime. I think it sounds the best. It has a pretty decent sound for two chime. So anyway, I guess that's about it. There's not a whole lot to say about this horn. This would be used on like a switcher, some kind of yard switcher, or you know, none of your mainline locomotives. But anyway, good sounding horn nonetheless though. So y'all enjoy this. This is your 60s Leslie S2A.